Now, I said I smoked 3 blunts now. I would be lying if I said I didn't. I'm too geek, so gone. ENT. Huh, 596 money. Gone off that drink now. Go ahead and light up that OG now. Smoking on that gas, you can smell it, huh? I've been smoking gas all day long. I'm going up the Perkins and the eggs, man. I popped the 4 and I took some drink, man. Sipped on the Texas drink. I got the yellow, orange, and the pink, and the green. It's the pain sipping on the perk hole. I broke it down, I poured it in the 4 hole. Other lean, cause I blow good though. Fuck you mean, bitch, you know I stay clean. Whipping those suicide blows, suicide blows. Suicide blows, cause I'm coming killing hoes. They say my track is so killer that I think I killed him though. Think he committed homicide to himself though. I'm going up the Perkies and them eggs, man. You can feel it, I'm so gone, man. I'm drinking on the cup and I'm pouring up. I feel it in my stomach pouring bubbly, huh? I'm going off another 4. I pop 4, then I pop 4 more. Got 4 model 4 hoes though. Got my girl, she done tripped though. I think I'm going off another X. My mind gone is heated cause I'm fucking with the heater. Got the blammer on my lap. Hold up and I got the strap. And I think I'm on 3 Percocet. Nigga, do your fucking best. Bitch, you better finesse. Do your best, just stress, just finesse. Hold up, put them to the test. Better fucking flex. Better fucking finesse. I'm too dope on these fucking beats. I can feel it in my system. Hey, you fucking me. Went to the system, got motherfucking hold up. I got checked. They said they tried to take me for the motherfucking marijuana and the H2O. Bitch, I'm on go. I never stop. All I do is blow. And I smoke Joes. Hell yeah, I smoke squares. And I got a little cup. Man, I feel the fucking Percocet. Can I get some drink? Can I get the syrup? I got this bad cough in my throat. It feels so bad, man. You just don't understand, no. Lately I've been going through a lot, though. Going off that XO. I can feel it in my back hole. Down my fucking backbone. It hurt cause I'm too fucking stressed, though. Smoking squares just to relieve the stress. I don't play, better do your best. I'm gone out this beat, you better check it, man. Do it like Nike, I'm a Ricky, man.